All right, we're going to a reported vehicle accident. Two vehicles, a female patient in a gray Lexus, complaining of shoulder and leg injury. We got 2, 3, 4 vehicles stopped here. 5. Got a little bit of smoke coming from a vehicle, looks like. Okay. Which car has a person in it? Driver?
No, she's the passenger.
Okay. Hello? How are you doing? Okay, what's hurting you? Okay. Do you feel like if we were able to move you out of this vehicle, you could move on your own? Don't know, okay. Fire dispatch, engine 15, start me at truck code 3, extrication.
Copy, code 3 for extrication. Move operations to Bravo 6, B6.
Where were you?
He was the driver of this car.
Okay.
My foot got caught, my foot slipped, and it got caught under between
Okay.
the gas and the brake.
You spun out,
It spun out.
and someone coming this way?
Yes, I tried to stop, but I couldn't because my foot was caught.
Okay, was it just those two vehicles, you and her?
Yes.
Okay.
She's okay. I was
got a 4-patient count
for you. I'm going to work on her because she's the worst off.
Okay. Fire dispatch, engine 15, start me another code 3 medic as well.
Copy, additional code 3 medic.
All right, so right now we have 5, maybe more patients. We've got a truck coming to help us extricate the female that's in one of these cars. And we got 2 more ambulances coming, total of 3, to help us assess and transport all the patients. This call definitely turned out to be more than we had anticipated.
Which leg? This one on the ground. It's right here. You can feel it protruding out right here. You want to just up and over? Get her out of here? All right. Ma'am, listen. Your kids are going to be fine. We're going to take care of them. You need to get you to the hospital first. You're the most hurt. Yep.
I'm looking at Medic 2 right now, so we'll have Medic 2 transport this patient getting extricated. You need what?
Oxygen tank.
Okay. So I'm thinking this guy in the red is our last, other than the extrication. But
Command Medic 15, we copy. Destination UT Davis.
That is one of these delayed. I can verify for you. Buddy. All right, here we go. Oh. Can you stand up for me at all? Actually, you can stand. Perfect.
complaints, just a little scared. Mom's doing good, all right? She just got a little hurt leg, but she's gonna be just fine, all right? Coming from what we were given on our initial dispatch, and then seeing what we saw when we got here, these patients were definitely lucky. This is a very high-speed area. Sounds like one car pulled out in front of another, didn't quite see them coming, and caused a high collision, which obviously causes a lot of injuries. It turned out to be a 6-person MCI. Seems like 2 vehicles involved, and one of them required extensive extrication. She had very extensive injuries to her lower body. I had to take her to a trauma center. We've got 3 kids here. We've got 2 other adult patients. So I think we ended up with a total of 6 patients and 3 ambulances used.